here we are, getting a nice good coat on the ceiling here. Going around now, just hitting patches that look a little light from the coat. Hello, we're having a tent party. As you can see, we've got the poly tent down over the walls. And up comes the nice little light here. Tells you how to work it. Got the hookup, everything's a go. Oh yeah. And so what we gotta do here first is hold our upper wire here that we got to unhook for a minute. Yeah, so person wants to not have to wear gloves if the situation allows. And then around here. Ground wire there and everything. I think I know what I'm doing here. Okay, so this would be pretty easy then. I'm not even worried about anything right now about the ground because the ground's done. gave us a little ground thing. They're even claiming it's optional. Okay, finally looking at the end product. That's a nice edge. That's a nice looking set of tiles. "72 hours till it's cured." And in here, we've done the gray in here too. The gray looks good in here. But I don't like that silicone around that toilet. It's fucking it up. But the gray definitely looks good now down by the baseboard. That was the worst part. Now that that's all gray and it's nice and straight, it's gonna look pretty good when it's done, man. Not bad.